Nicklaus North Strata. We're doing our aluminum shake roof interlock, and we're using a fireproof underlay, XFR, just to help with the fire rating of the roofing product. We got about 8-10 guys here working, and we've been on this project for about 5.5 months. There's 9 buildings, so each building's taking about 3.5 weeks. So we've got 3 more buildings to go, and we'll be wrapped up hopefully by the end of September. These roofs were initially cedar shake roofs. It's the first roof that was put on the building. They're about 30 years old, and they were starting to fall apart. So that's why they're changing the roof. They liked the look of the cedar shake, so they wanted to keep that same look, which is why they went with our shake product. And it's just one they won't have to redo again. Plus, with the concerns of fire and things like that, it's much better to have a roof like this than the cedar roofing. And the city and municipality of Whistler was not a big fan of putting cedar roofs back on up here for that same reason. That's why we're doing aluminum shake.
Interlock's a good company, and I've been with Interlock 6-7 years. Safety is #1 priority for sure. So we start up with the ladder setup, double check the ropes, anchors, and rope grabs, ripping off the roof. You set up plywood, tarps to protect the house, windows, plants, trees, and then it'll all fall down into the tarps. And after the roof is stripped, we'd clean it all up and then start the vapor barrier procedure, vapor barrier what we just tore off, so then the house is protected. And then once it's all vapor barrier, you start the interlock process of installing aluminum or copper or whatever product is provided for the customer. Aluminum's a lot easier to work with. It's light. It can bend into multiple shapes. So if it's not a basic roof and got lots of different dimensions, curves, and things, you can shape the aluminum to your desire, which is nice about Interlock. As an aluminum product is very easy to work with, and it's basically a lifetime material.
And I like Interlock because it's the last roof you're ever gonna have to do. You know, doing a roof is a big project. It's cumbersome, it's expensive, and it's not something you really want to have to do more than once. And with Interlock, it's one and done. I'd say it's a great investment. You know, when you put a regular, I call them disposable roof on, whether asphalt or cedar, it's not an investment. That depreciates the second you put it on. Whereas you put our product on, it's never gonna have to be done again. So the value in that, if you go to sell the house, 20 years down the road, they're not gonna have an inspector saying you need to put a roof on it because it's already got a roof. And plus you don't have to do it. And every year things are getting more expensive. So an asphalt roof 10 years from now is gonna cost probably double what it costs today. It doesn't cost more to put this roof on when you factor all that in.